So you're welcome back to the Crypto Niche channel, and I'm gonna say Happy New Year to every one of you. All right, because this is obviously the first video that will be uploaded on this channel, ever since the year has started. All right, so again, I'm gonna say welcome back and Happy New Year to every one of you. Okay, and today we're gonna have an interesting review. Okay, an interesting review and also conversation about AI. Now, two things. So at the end of this video, okay, you will learn about AlgosOne AI. Okay, is this something that you should use or you should avoid it? All right. So am I neutral about it? There's going to be like three conclusions. Either to give an call to action that you can use it or not use it. Okay, or maybe I'm neutral about it. All right. So now I'm going to have a look at this. Okay, it's called Argos One AI. Argos One AI. So it's a trading platform that trades the market on your behalf. So it happens that a friend of mine has been disturbing for a while now. He thought I was trying to avoid the review. So he called me, okay, some days ago he called me like, man, I told you to, he sent a message to me on WhatsApp. Okay, I told you to help me and review this platform before I put money into it, but you are yet to make a review of it. Okay, so I was like, okay, what exactly do you want to know about the platform? He said I should just go ahead and do my research about it and tell him whatever I think about the platform. So he told me he was going to throw in 8 million naira into it. Okay. Today, 8 million naira in today's currency is about $8,000, okay, into the platform. That we wanted to start with that and see how far he can go with it. All right. And even possibly increase capital to like $10,000 and even more than $10,000. Okay. That is how excited he feels about this Argos One AI um, platform. Okay. Yeah, so 2023 was a year for AI globally because we had the likes of ChatGPT, okay, 2022 stroke 21. We had ChatGPT, we have Bard by Google, and countless number of platforms, companies, tech companies, globally have been building, an AI, okay, an AI that could solve a lot of problems, that have a learning language model kind of. So, and honestly, to be honest with you, whether crypto market, stock market, forex market, in the next 5 years, they're going to be heavily traded by AI. I mean, heavily traded by AI. Okay, so it is something that we all look forward to, and it's like an exciting future. Okay, for every one of us. Now, this platform, is 100% hands-free. Okay, Argos One is 100% hands-free. Okay, once you make a deposit, you don't actually do much. It trades automatically. All right, but they have two options on the platform. I'm going to show you real quick. If you sign up on the platform, this is how the dashboard looks like. Okay, this is the dashboard. So when you sign up on the platform, I'm going to walk you guys through the interface so you have an idea of how to navigate your way around. So they have a reserve. One of the unique selling points of it is that they have reserve, okay, and the reserve is gotten from the trading fees that they charge their platforms. They have the commission they charge. It's like a Binance, like GoCoin, like Coinbase. When you use a platform, you pay trading fees, okay, and the trading fees that you pay, that is how Binance generate their revenue, okay, and that is how they're able to pay their insurance because according to them, they say they are insured, okay, they are safe to use. So that is how they're able to pay for the insurance. That's how they're able to ensure your funds on the platform, pay their staff members, pay their security staff members and all of that. And even expand globally, okay? Expand globally and also pay money for lawsuit. So now these guys, according to them, because I've really gone through, I've read a lot about these guys, honestly. Okay, I've gone through a lot about these guys. So I'm giving you a condensed or let me say compressed form of knowledge about the platform. Okay, so I'm giving you a compressed instead of you start, move from one point to the other and start searching for information about this guy. I'm giving you everything right there. Okay, right there. So make sure that you watch this review to the end because it's promised to be the best ever review you can find about this product on the internet. Okay, it's promised to be the best ever review about this crypto product you can ever find on the internet. I repeat that. Okay, so now they have a reserve currency, they have a reserve, this is the reserve, and last time I checked it was about $189.2 million. Okay, but now it has dropped, and it's going up gradually again. So they have a reserve. Okay, it's a current reserve fund. Now, what are they going to be using the reserve for? When this AI loses a trade, all right, they are going to be refunding you from the reserve. That's why it is there. When the AI loses a trade, okay, they will take money from the reserve and pay you part of that losses back. Okay, so it's more like an insurance, isn't it? Like, I have, I'm playing with this software, and the owner are actually guarantee the profit of this thing. Like, if I thought it's not making profit, if you make any losses, okay, we are going to refund you back part of your losses that you make. Okay, that's exactly what this guy are doing. So it means that if you deposit like $1,000, sorry, like 1,000 or 10,000 on the platform, then, but this is how it works. It works with levels. Okay, like, for instance, now if you deposit like $1,000 on the platform, okay, then maybe that is tier two. All right, they have tiers, tiers or levels. That's tier two. So for that tier two, let me go check right here. I think this is where it is. So look at this. All right, so for this tier level, you can see that you choose 0 and $299. Okay, it is tier zero. All right, this is tier one, between 300 to $1,000 thereabouts. That is that on, okay, 999. That is tier one. Tier two is 1,000 today. So probably if my friend had signed up on the platform, okay, it will be in tier three, obviously, because his money is not up to $10,000. Okay, so what's gonna be getting from the platform is that it will be getting a commission. Okay, they will be charging 25% commission on his trades. Okay, every time he makes profit, because this guy don't charge commission from the trade, obviously they charge commission from the profit. So when you make profit, they do what? They are going to cut 25% from it, or else maybe if you have a higher tier like tier 10, which requires that you deposit about $1 million on the platform. Okay, so if you have $1 million plus, so you're going to be paying like 12% as fee. Okay, 12% as fee. So now they have a compensation for their platform. So if it means that if you make a trade and that trade is in loss, they're going to give you back 10%, compensation, like a kind of reward, a kind of way to ensure that no, these guys want you to make money on the platform, right? So if you look at this, let's assume that my friends already signed up on the platform. So it's going to be making like 0.8 to 1.04%, on one-click trades. Yeah, on one-click trades. You can see that. So because they have auto trades, they have one click. This is how it works. It means that the AI will trade for you like twice a day. Okay, every day it will make two auto trades for you. Okay, and those two auto trades, it is guaranteed to make a profit of 0.8 to 1.04% on a monthly basis. All right, so now you have access to eight one click means that every day, like, okay, this is 280 seconds, right? 280 seconds will be like how many minutes? Maybe like less than 10 minutes, isn't it? So what it means is that, okay, it is even less than 5 minutes. Yeah. So every 5 minutes, you can use this one click every 5 minutes. All right. So you can set a reminder, watch the countdown, then you click on this. All right. So, and this is 1.25% to 1.88% profit on a monthly basis. Okay. After 30 days. So it means that if this guy is making like 1.25, okay, from his, let me say like 10K for instance, okay, he's making like over $80 on a monthly basis, over $80 on a monthly basis, okay, from that account, because 10% of 8,000 is 800. So when you say 1% of that would be like 800, so like 80 plus, okay, 80 to $100 is what you're making on a monthly basis, you know. So it means that within 1 year it will have been like 1,200, or even more than that, okay, within 1 year. So for the other one, so the expected profit per year is like 15 to 20% for one click. Okay. Then for auto, 10 to 12%. So if you add that up in a year, okay, you should be getting like over 30% profit from your investment within 1 year. So, and 30% of 8,000 would be like 2,400. Okay, obviously within 1 year. So that's a very good amount of money. Let me even check that out. Okay, so I'm going to say 30%. I don't know, maybe 0.3 rather times 8,000. Okay, so that's 2,400. I was right about it. Okay, simple mental sum. So now, the next one we're going to have a look at is that their deposits. Okay, their deposits so flexible that you can deposit on the platform. All right. So you can do deposit by bank transfer. You can do deposit in choosing currency, deposit currency in conversion into US dollars. So you can deposit cryptocurrency if you want. Okay, you can select coins. You can see you have options, Theta, you have your USDC, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Binance Coin. They're all there. Okay, and you can select the chain. Okay, you want to deposit USDC now, can select, it is Ethereum permanently on Ethereum. So you can see that. So you have three deposit options to choose from, right? So, and also these guys have a mandatory KYC. Like if you're on the platform, probably want to withdraw from the platform, you are going to need KYC to withdraw from the platform. All right. So that's one thing. So you can see that it feels exciting. It feels exciting, isn't it? Okay, so we can say they have an affiliate program. If you refer people to the platform, all right, they're not going to be paying you money for referral. I'm not sure, okay, because I've never referred anyone to the platform before. But obviously, they're going to be giving you points, okay, points, and the points can be converted to trade. All right, so when you refer more people, you get more auto trades, okay, you get more all these auto and three one click. So for everyone you refer, okay, you get one auto and three click. All right, and that three click translates to profit. Yeah, because if you have one auto trade added to you, let us assume that you have let us assume you are using this account, like you are using this account, tier 3 account. you know Normally today for this account you're supposed to have like two auto trades. All right, but if you refer people, you can have like five auto trades for that day. Okay, for that day they have like 6, 10, 15, 20, 30 one click trades for that day because you are referring more people to the platform. All right, and I want to believe that when you refer more people to the platform, there should be a very good commission for you. Okay, like maybe like 5% commission or thereabouts, right there. So to refer your friends and loved ones, you click here to copy this link and refer all of your friends. Okay, it's as simple as that. Now, it even gets more interesting because they have the Telegram support. Okay, if you click on this now, okay, you can connect your bots. If you're a premium user already, you have an account there, and open this on Telegram. So I've done that before. Let me just go back to Telegram and show you how it looks like. You can click on send message to them. Open Telegram desktop. This is exactly what you see. Okay, this is exactly what you see. So from my account now, your signals are turned on. So once there is a signal, there will be a notification on Telegram, and you can go to the website and do the needful from the website. Okay, that is the essence of having a connected AlgosOne Telegram bot. And that's also a premium service, obviously. So you can see right there. I'm gonna go back to the home page. Okay, to the home page. How the home page looks like. And they have a very good interface. Easy to understand. No stress whatsoever. Okay, no stress whatsoever. So let me check this. Trading. Okay, I don't have any trade yet because I've not made any deposit yet. Okay, and I've not been making any trade whatsoever. All right. So, but if you go back to the home page, you see something exciting. If you scroll there, you can see this is even above 9,000 right now. And you see, so it means that people are actually paying fees. People are making profits, okay, from the crypto market, and they are paying fees. All right, they are paying fees, and the fees that they are paying, okay, it means that that fee goes to the reserve fund. Okay, from 8 million recently to over $9 billion. So in the next few hours, it could be up to like maybe tomorrow or next tomorrow, it could be like 12 million, 13 million. The more people are making money on the platform, the more the reserves are increasing. You do see that, guys. So you can see they are trading several assets. Okay, they are trading several assets. There's no limit. You can see Flow, Ape, Uni, etc, AXL, Filecoin, and look at all the profit they're making. Although some trades are in losses. Okay, there are some trades that are in losses right there. Long short, long short, long short trade that are in losses. So, but overall, Okay, the idea is that they're going to be making more profit and losses. Okay, now here comes the counter punch. Okay, the counter punch means that um, I'm going to give you a hard truth about the platform. Okay, based on my personal research. Now I've shown you what the interface looks like, what they can do, what they promise to give you, and all of that. Okay, now look at this. Okay, this is the real truth about the platform. All right. If you go here, you can see you're buying shares. If you click here, you can see, please stay tuned and we update you once the share purchase feature becomes available. So it means that you are going to be sharing part of their reserve funds. That's the idea of buying shares from you guys, from these guys. But for now, before you can start buying shares, you can deposit. Guys, here is the truth. Okay, I've done some research about these guys. So if you go to Waze, okay, this is their registrar, oneapi.net. This is their domain name, AlgosOne AI. And they were registered last year, February, February 21st last year, they were registered. Okay, so in the US, you can see their postal codes, the country, the state, the city. Okay, do you see that right there? Okay, so I did a further research, a deep dive into them to search for them. Okay, and look at the kind of traffic that these guys are getting. Okay, they are getting traffic from the US, from Australia, and also from the UK. All right, so they are getting traffic from all of these countries. So now you can see that a bunch of their users, traffic, they are coming from this country, from the US, Australia, and the UK. You can see that right there, isn't it? So if you scroll down, you see some other interesting details, about these guys. You can see that they are ranked for some keywords, AI in stock trading, AI trading forex, AI trading bots, artificial intelligence, crypto bots. All right. So if you go down, you see something that is very, very interesting and surprising. Okay, and you're going to be surprised. So main organic competitors. Okay, let me even scroll down a little bit more. Okay, there's something I'd like to show you. Yeah, look at this. If you go online now, beingcrypto.com is one of the respected news platforms, or let me say crypto information platform that we all know. Okay, and this guy, they've gotten close to 2,000 backlinks. That's crazy, close to 2,000 backlinks, isn't it? So it means that they are investing heavily, into advertisement. I'm going to repeat that. They are investing heavily into advertisement. That's what it means. Okay, you can see follow links, no follow, and all of that. Bloggers will understand this. Excuse me. Bloggers will understand this even better. All right, so let me go back now. I'm going to search for be in crypto. And I will type algo one. All right. Yeah. To search for those news. Let me search for them. Okay, so I'm gonna go right here. You can see being crypto, where is the game? Yeah, look at this. Okay, look at this. Okay, look at this. This is from Cryptonomist. Okay, they published that last year, December. So everyone is new AI making. You can see a lot of news platforms making publication about these guys. Can you see that? So if you go to news, you can even see more interesting details. Okay, I'm not seeing that right there. Uh, okay, let me just copy this. Okay, let me add AI to it. Okay, so you can see when I go to news, let me see if I'm going to find them in the other news section. All right. So a couple of bloggers, writing about these guys. How to set up Algo's 100 bots complete guide, by being crypto. Okay, being crypto right. Okay, can you see that? Okay, Algo is beating trading record and Bitcoin and Ethereum Solana with a click. Look at that. So they've invested heavily into paying being in crypto to promote these things for them. Okay, to promote these things for them. All right, that is why you can see that a lot of backlinks, are coming from being crypto. You can see markets, the business insiders will come. Look at that. They also pay this guy for for advertisements, for promotion right in the platform. So they are also investing heavily in SEO, as you can see, also in SEO, and these are some of the domains that are referring users to them. So you can see that. So I was surprised that first and foremost, I was surprised that the bulk of traffic is coming from US, Australia and UK. And because a product like this always have more users from Africa, from Asia, from India, from Pakistan, from Nigeria, South Africa, okay, Rwanda, Ghana, these are countries where they have the bulk of their users from. Okay, but this time around, the table has turned. Okay, they are now catching cruise with the US audience, okay, with the US users. All right, now you can see, and you will not blame them because their minimum is, their tiers requires every dollars, to join those tiers. Look at this. Okay, so if you have to be loaded before you can use this platform. So this is obviously to enjoy tier 3, tier 5, tier 6. This is not for countries with low purchasing power, all right? Or let me say countries that cannot afford that have low income, or let me say low wage countries. Okay. So but if they target US, Australia, and UK, yeah, they have a lot of people that can just close their eyes, dump like 3,000 dollars, $10,000, on this platform like this. All right. So now let me now begin to even open your eyes to what is happening. This is a Ponzi scheme, okay, and it's a Ponzi scheme, and I really respect the the builders, the people that built this platform. The reserve that you are seeing right here, let me even go back to the home page. This reserve you are seeing right here is nothing, is nonsense. It's not true. Okay, you should know this. Okay, let me go back to the home page, please. Home page, yeah. This reserve is fake. Okay, this reserve you are seeing right here is fake because there is no means of actually verifying the fact that this works. This is the money is going to the reserve. That's number one. Number two, okay, number two, a trading system that tells you to deposit on their platform before you can make profits. Okay, it doesn't have an API that you can use to connect to Binance, to Kraken, to Coinbase, to exchanges. Such platform is fake. I repeat, it is 101% fake. Ponzi. Because come on guys, if you deposit your funds right here, okay, and they are asking you for mandatory KYC, this is where they will stand against you. Okay, and they are asking you for a mandatory KYC. What are you going to do if your KYC has been rejected by this guy and say no, you are not verified? So for that reason, you cannot withdraw your money from the platform. You see that? So for that reason, you cannot withdraw your money from the platform. So that is where they're going to stand against you. All right. They want to stand against you in the most civil manner. Otherwise, they could have just closed their shop at any point in time, and your money is gone. It's vanished. To vanish. Okay, so all of this 50, all of this 50% deposit bonus is fake. Okay, they want to lure you to come in by giving you like countdown, 6 day left. You see that? It's tactics, that's their gimmicks, that's how they play. That's a game plan for you. Okay, all of this connects to Telegram bot. It's also fake. Okay, they're gonna be sending you updates. Really, it's true, but it's also fake. Okay, they are fake updates. These guys are not making any money. Now, latest AlgosOne trade. Okay, they are displaying all of these things to you so that you will think that these guys are trading and making money. So for that reason, you're going to be seeing more grain and grain and grain and grain stuff than red right here. Okay, because they want to be able to capture your mind psychologically. Okay, so these are scripts. They are scripts. Okay, there is no way to verify this data. You cannot even click on it. You can only scroll. Okay, they are scripts. And they are scripts that it has been used by many Ponzi schemes before. Many Ponzi schemes before. Like they display a lot of animations, like it's just like an animation. Okay, it's like an animation. So if you can record this screen, okay, if you can just take your time and record this, okay, and play it in a slow motion, this display right here, okay, you discover that this thing is not changing. It's not changing. It's not changing. Yeah. Okay. It's an animation. You can see it even stopped. Who is this person calling me right now? Yeah. Okay. You can see that they've spent a video on promotion, and I told you earlier on that This is just automated. Okay, so that's something you need to take cognizance of, right? So these guys they are basically into Ponzi's. Okay, they want to use Peter's money to pay Paul. Okay, it's as simple as that. Okay, they want to use Peter's money to pay Paul. And you have to be extremely careful. Okay, there is nothing like a reserve. We don't have any reserve anywhere. Okay, don't be deceived, guys. All right, and all of this calm down is nonsense. Honestly, if you make a deposit, your money will be gone forever. Okay, if you make a deposit, your money is gone for good. All right, so that's the truth. That's the truth. And when I was trying to sign up on the platform, okay, I used a fake email address, okay, and their platform, okay, they spent a huge amount of money to build an AI, and they could not even detect a fake email address, okay, they could not even detect it. Man, that's crazy, man. That's it's horrible, very horrible, man. Okay, it's not cool enough. All right, so you really want to make money online, you want to make money from the crypto market or the forex market, you need to seek the relevant knowledge. Yeah, seek the relevant knowledge. It's as simple as that, guys. These things are not hard. Okay, trading is not hard. It's not a rocket science. It's not magic. Okay, it's not magic. All right. What these guys are even promising you? Let me even go back to this again. Where is it? If you go back to, is it here? Okay, these tier levels. Look at this. You're gonna be using like, how much is that? Let me see. Like 10K. 10K to make how much? Let me check. To make about 27% in 1 year. Can you see it on the screen? Look at it. Okay. These guys are wicked. They are wicked. They are wicked in the sense that you want to run Ponzi scheme and you want people to wait for 1 year to make 30% profits with $10,000 capital. Man, that is the peak of craziness I've ever seen in my life. Okay. But the reason why they did it this way is because they want you to make you think like, well, it's an AI. Okay, if an AI could get like 30% in a year, I'm gonna be okay. That's not bad. After all, it's passive. Okay, because if they put 20% per month, 30% per month, most people will, or more. This thing that it has to be like so. They don't want to give you any notice. They don't want to raise any false flag, any red flag. Okay, so they want you to think that this is actually trading. I repeat, any AI that wants to trade at the market for you will do it through an API. Okay, an API that is connected to an exchange, that is connected to a liquidity pool. That is it. Okay, that's so it means that you have to add your own account to it. Okay, you have to add your own account to it and use that amount to trade. That is how it works. I've been in this industry for the past 7 years this year, for God's sake. Okay, more than half a decade I've been in this industry. So I know my right from left. Okay, I know my right from left. So let me show you something real quick. Let me go to Forex Factory. Okay, I don't even have to start showing you guys stuffs. Okay, but even the least traders in our community, in trading community, does better than this. Okay, the least of my students, they do better than this guy, than this AI. So why is not AI? Well, those guys are way better than the AI. Okay, so I've seen my students doing 50%, good some 10%, 11, 12, within few months. So if you could do that manually by managing your own account, so why would you pay this guy to give you this ridiculous amount of money in 1 year, even though they are scam? They want to scam you. They want to scam you. All right. So why would you pay this guy? So this is a well packaged Ponzi scheme. Okay, it is a well packaged crypto Ponzi scheme. Okay, that even have the guts, that even have the mind to ask for KYC. Okay, so that they can cash out in both ways. First, they cash out and look at this. They want to deposit above 5,000. Look at this. If you get 15% bonus for any deposit above $50,000. Look at that. So automatically you've made 15% of this once you make a deposit. It's not cool. You want to use Peter's money to pay you. Okay. The day you want to make a withdrawal, you will be in trouble. They ask you for documents, they ask you for KYC, and those KYC are not going to be verified. Okay, they only verify some and abandon many of them. And those few that were verified, they will end up going to the internet and tell you proof of withdrawal. They'll be showing proof of withdrawal, live one. They'll be showing live proof that they withdraw. Whereas only a few of them will be able to do it. So they control it on the back end because a Ponzi creator, they know they would never run at loss. So the moment they discover that, man, this thing is like people are getting more aware, people are getting more knowledgeable, and they will close that shop. They'll close it. There is nothing you can do about it. Okay. And that will be gone. That will be gone for good. So I'm telling you now, if you're watching this review, learn how to trade yourself. Learn how smart investment yourself. Learn how to manage your investment smartly and appropriately. Okay. So instead of you to start moving from one Ponzi scheme to the other, yeah, because that's exactly what you are doing. That is obviously why you are actually here to gain knowledge from me, to know what my opinion about this. All right. Instead of you to be moving from one Ponzi to the other, and after all, it doesn't end well. It always ends in premium tears. Yeah. So instead of you to be moving from one Ponzi to the other, why can't you learn the nitty-gritty of trading yourself? Okay. Why can't you give me the chance, the opportunity to show you how trade are being done, how to grow your own fund by trading and investing in the market? Why can't you join the trading community? Okay. We have, about 100 people in our trading community, active community every day. So why can't you be a part of that community? What can you with 50, this is even less than $100. Can you imagine that? Okay. This is even less than $100. Imagine someone that deposited 8,000. Imagine how much must have lost through that. Okay. So use the penny. Use that penny to pay for the bootcamp. Use that penny to join, the class, the community. Okay. You join a training program. All right, to take the course and save yourself a lot of money, thousands of dollars. Okay, so guys, I'm going to be leaving a link to this page. If you'd like to join, okay, let me know. Okay, and go to this website. Obviously, the bootcamp 5.0 will be launched in next few days from now. So if you're watching this video, there are always enough batches. Come 6.0, 7.0. So when you make a payment, depending on the time you make a payment, then you will be enrolled automatically for the bootcamp. All right. So guys, this is Ponzi scheme. Avoid it as much as possible. All right. So I want to believe that you've gained so much value, so much knowledge, and so much benefit from this review of AlgosOne AI trading bot. Okay. So you've gained insights, you've learned from me, from my research and from my knowledge and none of that. And I want to believe that this will help you to save your hard-earned money. Your hard-earned money should be saved. Okay. So if I've done this to you, if the review has been able to save you from losing money, from losing funds, okay, guys, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You subscribe, turn on the notification bell, leave in the comment down below, like the video so that more people can be saved. Okay, like the video so that we can save more people together. All right, share with your friends. Maybe you have a friend that want to join this Ponzi scheme. They may not know because it is so packaged that you may not even know. Okay, you find them on Business Insiders, being crypto platform. You will not know because you feel like they're actually making publication about these guys on reputable platforms. So you won't know. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna say peace out. Bye.